Hello guys, so here is the installation video to the South Geomatics Office. So if you have gotten it from my platform, you are going to have it on a zip folder this way, South software. So you need to select it, right click, and you need to extract or you can come to your WinRAR and extract files any which way. So just note this path and click on OK. So it's done extracting, so you need to open the folder. So you're going to see two setup. This is for the SGO main application. Why this is an additional package that comes with it from my platform. This package is to help you to convert default GNSS static data that was done with other receivers. If you have taken observation with Tesos that is in .dat or .gns or .zhd or any other format, okay, this application extension helps you to convert that to RINES format that can help you import in other post-processing softwares other than the South Geomatics Office. You can import into Trimble, import into High Target Geomatics Office, Tesos Geomatics Office, Leica Geomatics Office, and the rest of that. All right. So this application is additional package that comes with that. Okay, but the main package here is the South Geomatics Office. So you need to select that first, right click, and you run as administrator. So we need to install this first. So it will actually the selected language. Make sure yours is English. Click on OK. Then you click on next. So you just note this part. This is where it's going into. Click on next. It will start installing automatically. So you make sure this is checked, this too is checked, then you click on finish. So this is like a form of license agreement. So if this is not checked, make sure this is checked. Alright, then click on install. Sure, it's done. You can see it's success. So you can just click on experience, or you can just close this already. So your South Geomatics Office will just open immediately. Alright, so you can go ahead to create a new project depending on the metric you want to use. Define the extension part, rename, right? So you can just go ahead to make use of the software. So right, very easy to use without any issues. So this has to install the Geomatics Office depending on your country of interest, and do some other setup of your choice. Okay, let me just roughly do this. So it's easy to use, and you can import your observation data for processing. So I think I have South data somewhere. Okay, so I have that. Alright, so let's import that for processing. Okay, very easy to use. Okay, so you just want to go ahead to process and check the information of this station list and do all that stuff on it. Okay, in my subsequent video I'm going to show you how to make use of this for some specific tasks. Okay, alright, so for the other extension, which is so here is the SGO software, by the way. Here's the icon here. Okay, so you don't need to be stressing to be looking for the icon on your desktop interface, so in case you are not familiar with it. Okay, for the other extension, that is to RINES, to convert proprietary data, static data, into general observation. So here is the major application. Here you can see to RINES is 64-bit here. So you can just select it, right click, click on show more options, then you send to desktop to create a shortcut. so you don't need to come to the folder all the time. So here's the to Rhinex shortcut, so you can always open it here. You don't need to stress yourself. When you open it, you load in your default data. So I can just briefly show you. So these are the data you can import: .dat, .eps, .zhg, .hcn. All right, so this .dat like for testers receivers, .zhg is for high targets, and this South, in case you want to convert South static data to Rhinex, you can just import your South, default data and convert. In my YouTube video, you are going to see how to do all that. All right, so this is how to install the SGO software easily. Where to hit on the 5-star rating and give us good reviews.